the annual gatherings?
Yeah, because the Mormugao port was founded in 1885, and we had the information that the first vessel came to the port in April 1885, but we did not know the actual date on which the vessel was berthed at the port. So from some research we found out that the first vessel, SS Westbourne, sailed into the port on April 15th. So we decided to celebrate April 15th every year as the foundation day of the port, so that the port employees can come together and celebrate this occasion. And also some best employees selected have been awarded along with pensioners who sacrificed a lot of years in their life for the port. They have also been invited, and some of them have been awarded on foundation.
So any new cargo has been identified for the port because after the mining ban, iron ore has stopped. Totally dependent on coal. Any new cargo coming in for the port?
See, last year we could make a 19% growth on the cargo, because year before we had done 17.3 million ton, and this year we have done 20.6 million ton, which is the highest growth among the major ports. This was by coordinating with the Indian Railways, bringing the iron ore from North Karnataka to the port. So we will have more cargo identified, and even if the mining in Goa starts, that will be also an additional revenue. And not only cargo, we are looking at other additional streams of revenue from those operations, or by leasing out the land to some private parties. We will be finding some additional streams of revenue for the port.
Sir, when you're speaking about cruise terminal and cruise business, what is the status of the advanced cruise terminal that was planned at Western India at Perth?
Yeah, the new cruise terminal should be fully operational at least by the year end. Definitely, it will be fully operational, and will start operating from December, January this year.
So when we talk about MPA, a lot of people are complaining about coal pollution and all that. There was a dome that was planned. Any update on that, sir? The dome?
Yeah, the dome work is progressing very well, and we have been informed that it will be completed by January 2025. So that should put an end to the complaints on the coal pollution.
Sir, when we talk about normal traffic in Moscow, we see that heavy vehicles are moving towards ILC circle. When is this bridge getting completed? So the 4-lane MPT connectivity part, when is it?
See, the targeted date of completion is June, 30th of June 2024. So we hope that it will be completed by June, and then July, August we will be able to use that connectivity, avoiding the traffic through the town.
Sir, MPA had already announced about the solar policy and that they were going to have a solar mega plant in the port. Anything on that?
Yeah, the work has been awarded to a contractor through GEDA, and the work order has been given, and the work has been initiated. So it will take around 6 to 7 months to complete the project. After that, the 3 megawatt solar plant will be operational. Definitely before the year end, it will be operational.
So now berth number 10 and 11 has been given to Delta. We hear that there are plans for berth number 9 also to be privatized. Anything on that, sir?
Berth number 9, we have got multiple options. There are interested parties. So we are considering which is the best option for us, and soon we'll be coming out with a tender for that.
But it is going to be privatized?
Definitely.
Public partnership?
Yes.
Sir, anything on revenue front? Is the revenue system of the MPT increasing, or how is the revenue?
So this year, because we have seen a 19-20% growth, our revenue has also improved to that extent. But we need to build the pension corpus. So probably in 4, 5, 6 years time, the next 4, 5 years time, we will be able to kind of complete the requirement for the pension corpus, and after that the port can run into a profit.
So, sir, when we talk about cruise tourism, there was a demand and there was a meeting about Goa being taken as a port of call. Anything on that? Any development?
The Goa already is a port of call. Probably we have to upgrade it into a home port. So for the home port, we need to kind of have better infrastructure. But in the coming years, because Cordelia, which is operating, they have already placed an order for around 4 or 5 ships. So they are also planning to have one ship station, in Goa. But it is in the coming 2-3 years of time we'll have to see. but we have to upgrade our infrastructure to meet the requirements of a home.
The domestic cruise, now we see that there is Costa Serenia, there is Cordelia. Is it improving as per MPT statistics? Is domestic cruise improving as of now?
Yeah, definitely this year the domestic cruise calls and the international cruise calls both have improved, and we have seen a rebound of the pre-pandemic level traffic in this year. In the coming year, I'm sure that